Hi guys, welcome to this session of Physics Objective Type and Assertion and Reason Type questions asked in CBSE Class 10 exam. Here is an opportunity for you to master CBSE Class 10 Physics with these solved questions. Here is the step-by-step solutions. Let's start. Here is the question 1. A student wants to obtain an erect image of an object using a concave mirror of 10 centimeters focal length. What will be the distance of the object from mirror? Here are the options. A. Less than 10 centimeters. B. 10 centimeters. C. Between 10 centimeters and 20 centimeters. D. More than 20 centimeters. Recall, a concave mirror is a converging mirror produces virtual image when an object is between focus and the pole of the mirror. Given focal length equals 10 centimeters, therefore it should be less than the focal length. The correct answer, A. Less than 10 centimeters. Also recall, focal length is the distance between focus and the pole of the mirror. Question 2. In the following diagram showing dispersion of white light by a glass prism, the colors P and Q respectively are. Here is the given diagram. Show P and Q rays. Look at it carefully, recall dispersion of light, and then try to answer this question. Recall VIBGYOR. Here are the options. A. Red and violet. B. Violet and red. C. Red and blue. D. Orange and green. Here is the spectrum when dispersion of light occurs. Red is deviated least as compared to violet as shown in the figure. Therefore, the correct answer is option B, violet and red. Question 3. The magnetic field inside a long straight current carrying solenoid. Here are the options. A. Is 0. B. Decreases as we move towards its end. C. Is same at all points. D. Increases as we move towards its end. Recall solenoid. Its magnetic field resembles as that of the bar magnet. A coil of many circular turns of insulated copper wire wrapped closely in a cylinder shape is generally known as a solenoid. One end of the solenoid basically acts as a magnetic north pole, whereas the other acts as a magnetic south pole. The field lines inside the solenoid are known to be parallel and straight. The magnetic field inside a long, straight solenoid carrying current is generally the same at all points inside a magnetic field. The correct answer, C, is same at all points. Question 4. In the following diagram, the position of the needle is shown on the scale of a voltmeter. The least count of the voltmeter and the reading shown by it respectively are. Here are the options. A. 0.15 volt and 1.6 volt. B. 0.05 volt and 1.6 volt. C. 0.15 volt and 1.8 volt. D. 0.05 volt, and 1.8 volt. Here is a diagram. The least count of a voltmeter is the smallest and most accurate measurement that can be taken by the instrument. It is related to the precision of the voltmeter. Note, 10 divisions between 0 and 1.5, hence least count will be 1. Minus 0 divided by 10. The correct answer is C, 0.15 volt and 1.8 volt. Question 5. The resistance of a resistor is reduced to half of its initial value. If other parameter of the electrical circuit remains unaltered, the amount of heat produced in the resistor will become. Here are the options. A, 4 times B, 2 times C, half D, 1/4. Recall Joule's law of heating. H equals I squared multiplied by R multiplied by T. The heat produced is directly proportional to the resistance of the conductor. When resistor becomes half, then the heat produced also becomes half. The correct answer C, half. Question 6. If 4 identical resistors of resistance 8 ohm are first connected in series so as to give an effective resistance Rs, and then connected in parallel so as to give an effective resistance Rp, then the ratio Rs/Rp is. Here are the options. A, 32B, 2C, 0.5D, 16. Recall, in series combination, the equivalent is the sum of individual resistances in the combination. When all resistances are identical, the equivalent resistance is number of resistors multiplied by resistance of resistors. And in parallel combination, the equivalent resistance is resistance of any resistor divided by number of resistors in the combination. With this knowledge given, R equals 8 ohms and N equals 4. As we know, in series combination Rs equals N multiplied by R is equal to 4 times 8 equals 32 ohms. In parallel combination Rp equals R/N equals 8/4 equals 2 ohms. The ratio of Rs and Rp equals 32 halves equals 16. The correct answer D, 16. Question 7. Assertion. A, 2 magnetic field lines around a current-carrying straight wire do not intersect each other. Reason. R, the magnitude of the magnetic field produced at a given point increases as the current through the wire increases. Magnetic field lines represent the direction and strength of the magnetic field. If 2 magnetic field lines were to intersect, it would imply that at the point of intersection, the magnetic field has 2 different directions, which is not possible. Therefore, the assertion is true. According to Ampere's law, the strength of the magnetic field around a straight current-carrying wire is directly proportional to the amount of current flowing through it. Therefore, as the current increases, the magnetic field strength also increases. This statement is also true. Hence, the correct answer B. Both assertion and reason are true, but reason R is not the correct explanation of the assertion. Question 8. Assertion. A current-carrying straight conductor experiences a force when placed perpendicular to the direction of magnetic field. Reason. R, the net charge on a current-carrying conductor is always 0. Recall, a current-carrying conductor, when placed in magnetic field, experiences a force. The direction of force is determined with the help of Fleming's left-hand rule. A current-carrying conductor, when placed in magnetic field, it experiences a force. The force is maximum when current carrying is perpendicular to the magnetic field. Therefore, the assertion is true. The number of electrons and protons, charge carriers, in the conductor remains the same, so the conductor is electrically neutral. A current-carrying conductor only transfers charge. It doesn't store any charge. The reason is also correct. The correct answer B. Both assertion and reason are true, but reason R is not the correct explanation of the assertion. Thank you for watching the video. Please comment your queries and doubts. Please subscribe to my channel updates and upcoming videos. Please do like and share my channel. Also visit my blog for details. Guys, once again, thank you so much for watching the video.